shortage of the space at the time. Yeah, so in Tanjung Culture Village, they have built their houses from the bottom of the footage of the mountain and then stacked it up to the top of the hill. Yeah, so in short, this area we can also perceive it. Yeah, the original figure of the houses that was built in the post-war time. Yeah, so this is the living area for the residents. So I cannot speak up very loud. It's basically one line. Yeah, so you can walk back and forth on this road. And if you want to really see how was the living condition and how was the real original form of the village, then later you can follow me after I finish the explanation. I'll take you to enter in front of the pillar E, and then we can explore inside and come out from this way. Yeah, and after come out, if you feel tired, there's also in front of this H pillar, there's a cafe that you can choose which salt you want to experience, and also it's included one beverage. You can have a foot massage, yeah, for 30 minutes. Yeah, so there's a cafe and a lot of different style of cafe that you can explore here. Yeah, so in this building, it's like information center, and the first floor is which one that I mentioned earlier. It was the exhibition center for the movie that was shot in Busan. And the second floor, you can find the toilets. Yeah, and also in the many other points, around 3 points, there's another toilet, but you have to walk to that road. Yeah, and our meeting point is Lisboa Cafe at 205, and this Lisboa Cafe is located at the C pillar. Yeah, C pillar. So if you get lost, you can look where is the pillars. Okay.
Excuse me?
Yeah. So yep.
The time for meeting is 4.
Ah, yes, 405.
Yeah.
I didn't notice what I was saying. Sorry. Yeah. So it's 405. Okay, 405 at Lisboa. Any terrace. You can also have a seat over there. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, and also in front of pillar F, if you come with that I mentioned, it's a cafe called Ondata. Yeah, Ondata, and they have a corn cream latte. Yeah, so it's tanjan, you know, it's sweet at the same time. It's also salty. Yeah, so I think it's quite special for you if you haven't tried for some very Korean flavored cafe. Then you can try it. It's a lot of people liked it. I also liked it very much. Yeah, so you can go to Ondata to have the corn cream latte, or Lisboa. They have a very nice quality of coffee bean. Yeah, so you can have the coffee or dessert. They also have because they named the cafe as Lisboa, right? So the egg tart is quite nice over there, but it's different from the one that you can experience in Portugal. Yeah, I've been to Lisboa, but the flavor is not the same, but it's quite nice over there as well. Yeah, so it's your free time until 4:05. And if you want to explore with me, very beautiful, fabulous apartment like Zenith and I Park on your left side, right? That's the Marine City. Yeah, it's a place called Marine City, and it's the richest area in Busan. So it's actually a reclaimed land. So it was a sea in the very old time, and there's a restaurant called the Bay 101, and that place is very famous for like having beer and chicken chimek, and while you are enjoying the night scenery. Yeah, especially the reflection of those fabulous apartments on the sea. Yeah, it's very beautiful. And the Gwangan Bridge is actually the second longest bridge in South Korea after Incheon Bridge. Yeah, and also it's the longest one that is built on the sea. Yeah, and it was the construction was made between 1990 to early to 21st century. Yeah, And it also gained a global fame after one of the chasing scene of American action movie Black Panther was shooted here. Yeah. So there's another name of Gwangan Bridge is Diamond Bridge. Yeah, because there's a 10,000 LED lights are mounted on this bridge. So you are spending on the right side, the Gwangan Lee Beach. Then you'll see like each hour, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, you can see they are displaying different light show. And also on Saturday night, every Saturday night at 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. So 2 times they have the free drone shows. Yeah, so if you're planning to stay until Saturday night, yeah, then I'll highly recommend you to see that free drone shows. Yeah, if you are planning to see that, then I'll recommend you to come from the Gwangan station. Yeah, there's a Kumyeonsan station and Gwangan station at the both each side of the beach, but Gwangan station is more closer to see the drone shows, the spots. Yeah. And also we are seeing the right side, there's a Hwangryongsan. The mountain of Hwangryong is also one of the most famous place to see the nice scenery. Yeah, you can take the taxi to go up there, but it's hard to find the taxi from the top. Yeah, so it's better, well, you can have a friends and the friends can help you to go up there together, yeah, by driving. And also there's a Samik Beach Town apartment. There's a piles of apartment, right? And that place is very famous in the cherry blossom season because in the middle of the path are all cherry blossom trees. Yeah, so you can see it very beautiful in the cherry blossom season. You can come in the first week of the April. It was the peak season this year. So you can consider next time if you really like Busan. Yeah, so from here to our second destination, Oryukdo Island will take 15 to 20 minutes more. Yeah, you can take some break.